Article 36. This article defines the term state for the purposes of the Indian Constitution. It includes the central government, state governments, and any other authority or institution that has the power to make laws and regulations in India. Article 37. This article sets out the principles of the directive principles of state policy. These principles are guidelines for the government to follow in making laws and policies. They are not enforceable in court, but they are considered to be fundamental in the governance of the country. Article 38. This article sets out the duty of the government to promote the welfare of the people and to strive to reduce economic and social inequalities. Article 39. This article sets out a number of principles related to social and economic justice, including the need to ensure equal opportunities for all citizens, the promotion of cottage industries, and the prevention of concentration of wealth and means of production. Article 40. This article provides for the establishment of panchayats, local self-government bodies, in rural areas to promote democratic participation and development. Article 41. This article provides for the right to work, education, and public assistance in certain cases of unemployment, old age, sickness, and disability. Article 42. This article provides for the provision of just and humane conditions of work and maternity relief for women. Article 43. This article provides for the participation of workers in the management of industries. Article 44. This article sets out the principle of a uniform civil code for all citizens, regardless of their religion. Article 45. This article provides for the provision of free and compulsory education for children up to the age of 14. Article 46. This article provides for the protection of the interests of the weaker sections of society, including scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Article 47. This article provides for the prohibition of the consumption of alcohol and other intoxicating substances that are injurious to health. Article 48. This article provides for the protection and improvement of the environment, including the preservation of forests, wildlife, and natural resources. Article 49. This article provides for the preservation of historic monuments and objects of national importance. Article 50. This article provides for the separation of the judiciary from the executive in order to ensure independence and impartiality. Article 51. This article sets out the fundamental duties of every citizen of India, including the duty to uphold the Constitution and to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood among all people. Article 52. This article establishes the office of the President of India, who is the head of state and the supreme commander of the armed forces. Article 53. This article vests the executive power of the Union in the President and authorizes him to exercise it either directly or through officers subordinate to him. Article 54. This article provides for the election of the President by an electoral college consisting of the elected members of both houses of Parliament and of the legislative assemblies of the states. Article 55. This article sets out the term of office of the President, which is 5 years, and provides for re-election for a second term. Article 56. This article provides for the term of office of the Vice President of India, which is 5 years, and provides for re-election for a second term. Article 57. This article provides for the qualifications for the election of the Vice President, including that the person must be a citizen of India, at least 35 years of age, and eligible to vote for the election of members of the Rajya Sabha, Upper House of Parliament. Article 58. This article provides for the election of the Vice President by an electoral college consisting of members of both houses of Parliament. Article 59. This article provides for the impeachment of the President or the Vice President for violation of the Constitution or gross misconduct. The process for impeachment is laid out in detail in this article. Article 60. This article provides for the temporary discharge of the duties of the President in the event of her absence, illness, or any other cause. The Vice President will discharge the duties of the President in such circumstances. Article 61. This article provides for the procedure for removing the President from office for violation of the Constitution or gross misconduct. The process for removal is laid out in detail in this article. Article 62. This article provides for the qualifications for membership of Parliament. A person must be a citizen of India, at least 25 years of age for the Lok Sabha, lower house of Parliament, and 30 years of age for the Rajya Sabha, and meet certain other qualifications to be eligible for membership. Article 63. This article provides for the composition of the Rajya Sabha. Members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by the legislative assemblies of the states and union territories. Article 64. This article provides for the term of office of members of the Rajya Sabha, which is 6 years. Article 65. This article provides for the composition of the Lok Sabha. Members of the Lok Sabha are elected by direct election from territorial constituencies in the states. Article 66. This article provides for the term of office of members of the Lok Sabha, which is 5 years. Article 67. This article provides for the qualification for voting in elections to the Parliament of India. Article 68. This article provides for the manner of election of the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Article 69. This article provides for the vacation of the seats of members of Parliament in certain circumstances, such as disqualification or resignation. Article 70. This article provides for the powers and duties of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, including the power to preside over the proceedings of the House and to maintain order. Article 71. This article provides for the powers and duties of the Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha, including the power to preside over the proceedings of the House in the absence of the Speaker. Article 72. This article provides for the power of the President to grant pardons, reprieves, respites, or remissions of punishment or to suspend, remit, or commute the sentence of any person convicted of an offence. Article 73. This article provides for the executive power of the Union to extend to matters on which Parliament has the power to make laws. Article 74. This article provides for the Council of Ministers to aid and advise the President in the exercise of his/her functions.